right, battery percentage is low on this phone, but either way, we're gonna collect some of the background rewards. So we're using these phones to mine coin, and then we convert the coins into XYO in the crypto.com portfolio. But as you can see, it's not trying to collect. Sorry, because it's dying. It's acting up. All right, there we go. So we got a parachute. We got 911 coin. And then boom. So this is the geodrop rewards sent from the referrals. So I got maybe 2 or 3 referrals in here. But there's the QR code. If you guys take a screenshot of that, you guys can sign up, or if you request it, I'll send it to you. I can post it. But look, the only person that I'm referred to is myself. So one of these phones is being referred to this phone, and I compound the coins that come from each and every one of those phones. So this phone is, I believe it's like, let me see, I don't know how many days old, but I think it's like right there, 17 days old on this account, and it's already at 27,000. So the reason why I'm able to do this is because I go in here, and then they have what they call rewarded tasks, and then I go to, you could do surveys, you could play games, special offers, driving analysis, rewarded shopping. So like they'll send you like the price is right, and you gotta go into the store, and then you gotta scan the barcode, and then you get coins for scanning barcodes in stores. But the easiest way I found to stack up your coins is by playing video games. So you go to Premium Adventures, and then these are games that you already don't mind the cracked screen. Like the first day I bought this phone, it cracked, and so yeah, it is what it is. Look, Atlas Earth, I got this game. I built $5 in this game. It took a while, but I'm not actively like in there. But once I get active with something, I make it work, you know. But they got all these games that you can download, and then from time to time they do like 3 times the bonus on the coins or different bonuses. So that's what I did with this, with one of the casino games right here, as you can see. So you can claim up to 625,000 coins from this casino game, and I'm only, you know, three tasks out of 31 tasks. So there's room to gain. Look, clear 3 missions, earn extra rush, 225 coins. All these coins is up on the table. So once you hit level 200, I think I'm at level 32 right now. But I've been getting thousand coins. 1,000 coins. So that's how I got up to the 27,000 coins in with this particular game. But then I download other games where then I play them. Oops, there goes the coin farm. So right now you can set it up so it mines in the background. But let me see. So pretty much you could come to the coin app, download games that you already play, and actually get paid for it, you know. So if you guys seen any of these games that you guys already have in here, you could literally get paid to play these games that you already playing. So all you gotta do, if you guys want the link, I will drop it in the comments, but it's upon request, because at the end of the day, I'm focused on what I gotta do. I'm just exposing certain things that I'm doing so you guys can see what I'm doing, you know, POV, point of view type, you know, video. And yeah, that's how I'm building these coins. So once you get your first 10,000 coins, you can hit your first cash out. Let me see. Yeah, so we got, see, so once you hit your first 10,000, you can do your first cash out. I got 27,000. So let's see how much that would, if I was to, like, you know, want to redeem it, how much that would give me. So the 27,000 after the conversion, that's 1,800 XYO. And you can send that to your Coinbase or your Crypto.com portfolio wallet. And simple like that. That's how, you know, I'm getting free coins dropped into my Crypto.com portfolio using nothing but a cell phone and Wi-Fi. So when people say they can't mine crypto or whatever their case is, that's a self-limiting belief that they have upon themselves, because you can use cell phones like this, even with a cracked screen, still get money out of them, you know? Or you can, you know, you can build up your coins and then you can go shopping, whatever you may want. Earbuds. So like this will be something good for like somebody who's driving Uber, truck driver. You know, take 3 or 4 phones. Matter of fact, take all the old phones you got, connect them on Wi-Fi or whatever, little hotspot, and go mine. So if you was to get this amount, you can get that amount in Bitcoin. If you get this amount, you can get 1 Ether, 1 Ethereum, you know? Or if you get this amount, you can get the AirPods, or an American silver coin, or American library gold coin, Apple iPad, Nintendo Switch. Look, all this stuff is up for grabs. You know, there's money on the table, there's toys to grab, so you can literally play games and get rewarded handsomely for doing what you already do naturally. So this is what we're doing over here in this channel, Razi Grows. Guys, this is it for now. I did a lot of talking and rambling. I gotta get back to assembling this ASIC miner. I bought it used from eBay. It came broken. You see that button right there? It came broken, but I figured out that I really don't need it. So I'm gonna get this thing put together, back up, so then I can connect it to the crypto farm. But stay tuned, like and subscribe. Peace for now. Razi.